we received an inquiry from a client. With the minimum height from the ground to the roof's lowest part being only 5,175 millimeters, the customized solution we provide, however, can lifting height by 3,817 millimeters. If your factory has limited height but you need a higher lifting range, what should you do? Today, we'll walk you through a real case study of customizing a single girder overhead crane for a low-height factory. Before customizing a crane, there are key parameters you must know: lifting capacity, lifting height, span, and traveling length. These determine whether your crane can operate safely and efficiently. The customer intends to purchase 6 sets of 5-ton single girder overhead traveling cranes for a designated area within their workshop. Based on the client's factory dimensions, we designed 3 options: a single girder EOT cranes, a low headroom single girder overhead cranes, and a FEM DIN single girder overhead cranes. We compared them in 4 areas: price, lifting height, working coverage, and maintenance. From a price perspective, the standard single girder EOT cranes is about $2,700, and the low headroom single girder overhead cranes is about $3,100. The difference between the two is not significant. However, the FEM DIN single girder overhead cranes is a high-end solution with a price of approximately $6,000. Lifting height is critical. Single girder EOT cranes are equipped with CD-type wire rope electric hoists. The trolley wheels of the CD-type wire rope electric hoist are located at the upper part of the hoist structure, occupying a height of 1,120 millimeters. In contrast, the low headroom type wire rope electric hoist and Euro-type wire rope electric hoist have their trolley wheels positioned in the middle of the hoist structure, needing only 802 millimeters or 630 millimeters. Every millimeter saved goes straight to your lifting height. The single girder EOT cranes only reaches 3,135 millimeters. Below the customer's 3,500 millimeter requirement, the lifting height of the low headroom single girder overhead crane is 3,645 millimeters. The FEM DIN single girder overhead cranes combines a compact end carriage and an optimized hoist to gain another 172 millimeters, reaching an impressive 3,817 millimeters. For working coverage, the single girder EOT cranes and the low headroom single girder overhead cranes 8,300 millimeters from left to right. The FEM DIN single girder overhead cranes, with its compact end carriages, covers 8,880 millimeters. That's 580 millimeters more. In terms of maintenance, standard and low headroom single girder overhead cranes use traditional motors and brakes, which need adjustment every 3 months. The FEM DIN single girder overhead cranes features a black box for data monitoring and disc brakes that are maintenance-free for life. This significantly reduces long-term costs. The customer balanced the lifting height requirement with their budget. They chose the low headroom single girder overhead cranes. It met the 3,500 millimeter height requirement while controlling procurement costs. A contract for 6 units was signed. No 2 factories are the same, and no single solution fits all. If you want to find the perfect lifting solution for your low-height factory, send us a message with your factory height and lifting capacity. We'll provide a professional data match for you. DG Crane, making every investment count.